All right, so in a skillet over medium heat, go ahead and brown a pound of hamburger and some chopped onions. I also sprinkled some pepper on top as well. So I went ahead and added some vegetables from my garden. I had a hot banana pepper, a red jalapeno, and just a little tiny green pepper. So I always like to add just a little bit extra there. So I added that to my meat mixture as I'm browning the hamburger. And then once this is finished, I'm going to go ahead and drain that extra grease. Over here I have some fire roasted diced tomatoes. So I'm going to add 2 cans of that. I have this spicy chili mix, and then Bush's Best Grillin' Beans. Now this is not my preferred kind. They stopped selling it. So I used to get the Southwest Fiesta. It had little peppers and onions cut up. So this one I'm going to try. We'll see. Alright, so adding the spices to my meat mixture here in the crock pot. And again, I have this crock pot set on high for 4 hours and then low after that. So adding in those tomatoes. Adding in my beans. Alright, so I end up doing 3 cans of tomatoes, 2 cans of beans. I topped it off with some Frank's Red Hot and some more black pepper. Then I'm just going to give this a real good stir. Let it simmer all day.